CBIC has recently issued a clarification in relation to input tax credit as well as methodology for addressing the issue related to supply of goods against the warranty claims. देखिए, हर सर्कुलर का बेस अगर देखा जाए तो कुछ न कुछ लिटिगेशंस रहता है. There were a lot of litigations on various issues involving supply against warranty. पहला litigation ये था कि if a manufacturer supply some parts against warranty, then whether he has to reverse input tax credit or not. The circular has clarified this position. Circular has clarified that the manufacturer need not to reverse any input tax credit if he is supplying warranty parts free of cost against the to their customer to service their parts. और उसका लॉजिक भी उन्होंने सिंपल दिया जो पहले भी था सेनवैट क्रेडिट में कि द कॉस्ट ऑफ वारंटी इज जनरली एडेड एट द टाइम ऑफ सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ दोज गुड्स. दूसरा लिटिगेशन इस एस्पेक्ट पे ये था कि जब वो वारंटी सप्लाई होता है वेदर इट वुड बी टर्म्ड एज एन आउटवर्ड सप्लाई और जीएसटी इज पेबल एज इफ इट्स एन आउटवर्ड सप्लाई. अगेन दिस सर्कुलर हैज क्लैरिफाइड दैट बीइंग इट इज एन वारंटी सप्लाई फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सप्लाई इट वुड नॉट बी टर्म्ड एज एन आउटवर्ड सप्लाई. ये जो आउटवर्ड लाइबिलिटी का इशू है ये क्यों अराइज हुआ था? बिकॉज देयर वॉज वन रिसेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट इन केस ऑफ टाटा मोटर्स where they had issued credit notes to their distributor in against the warranty which the distributor have supplied. The Supreme Court has held that it would be termed as an sale in the earlier VAT Act. Now if we take that analogy into GST, the litigation would have came. And in order to address this issue, CBIC has issued this welcome clarification that no outward tax liability is required to be paid in case the original equipment manufacturer is supplying parts against those warranty. Next issue which is clarified in the circular is the cases where the dealer or distributor undertakes replacement of parts. There are so many companies where dealer undertake replacement or repairs activity under warranty and the company gives them part which they have used for the purpose of repairs and replacement. Now the clarification has clearly came in this regard that if the company is giving those parts, the company is not required to reverse any input tax credit for such supplies. In some cases, the dealer uses part from his own stock and he raises invoice to the manufacturer. Now clarification has been issued in this regard that dealer can raise an invoice to manufacturer, manufacturer can avail the input tax credit and make the payment against that invoice to the dealer. So it's a fairly clear transaction. In some cases what happens is dealer replaces the part from his own stock and then gives the details to the manufacturer and then manufacturer issues a credit note to the dealer. The circular has clarified that manufacturer can do these activities, can issue a credit note. The only condition is the credit note has to be issued within the time limit specified under section 34 and the dealer has to reverse input tax credit against such parts. Then this transaction would be allowed. Another issue which comes generally in these repairs and warranty is apart from parts, the dealer also charges manufacturer towards the service which they are doing. Now this circular clearly states that in such case the dealer has to raise an invoice on manufacturer towards whatever service he has undertaken on those goods which he is doing under warranty. A lot of companies offer extended warranty. The circular has also thrown light on such extended warranty program. The circular clearly states that if the extended warranty is given at the time of supply of original goods, whatever tax is applicable on those original goods would be applicable on that extended warranty program also. Just to give an perspective to it, if you are buying an extended warranty on your car, so जो कार पे GST rate है 28% plus applicable cess, that will also be applicable for extended warranty program taken at the time of purchase of car. But if extended warranty is taken after buying your car or those goods, then tax rate which is applicable for that extended warranty, considering the nature of warranty, that would be applicable on that transaction. So आप again putting perspective of car, if you are buying an extended warranty along with car, you will be taxed at close to 50%, that is GST at the 28% plus cess again at the rate of 22%. But if you take an extended warranty immediately next day, you will be taxed at the nature of that extended warranty, maybe in the range of 18 to 28%. So this is an important clarification which government has issued, and which is a welcome clarification for various industries giving supplies against warranties and also doing these kind of transactions.